To put a video as wallpaper on iPhone, you have to use app such as Into Live. Now this is a paid software, but you can use the trial software. I will open it, then select next, next, agree and continue, and let me close this one. Next, select this option, ask app not to track. So once you have opened this application, select live wallpaper, and you should allow this app to access your gallery, and let me select a video. Now you have to select this slider from where you want to start the video so as to save it as a live wallpaper, because you can't save 1 minute video or 2 minute video. It only allows you to save like 4-5 seconds of the video. After that, done. Then tap on this share icon here. So once this clip is exported, now you can see live photo successfully exported. So what I will do is I will go to the gallery of my phone. Then this is the live wallpaper. I will open it and I will tap on this share icon here. Use as wallpaper. Now you can increase the size of this video. After that, tap on this icon here, which is live icon. You should enable it. Once you do it, select add, and then select this option, set as wallpaper pair. Now let me close this one and let me open it. You can see live wallpaper.